Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you kind of a two-card Monte effect that you may or may not have seen on TV somewhere, or some other magician do it. Normally people are used to a three-card Monte effect, but this one only uses two cards, and for this trick we'll use the two black aces, okay? So have a spectator get a choice, and they can pick which ace they want to be the money card, and sometimes they'll pick the ace of spades, probably more times than not. Sometimes they'll pick the ace of clubs, but let's just say they pick the ace of spades for this tutorial, and the ace of spades will be the money card, and so not the ace of clubs. So I'll take the ace of clubs and place it on the table, and now they'll keep track of the ace of spades, and I'll just move these cards around on the table and ask them which one they think the ace of spades is, and if they're correct, they'll win the money. And let's say they pick this card, and they would be correct. They picked the ace of spades, and that's the money card. Now we'll do it one more time, and if they won, we'll do double or nothing this time, okay? Now, let's say if they won $1, we'll bet $2 this time. Now have them keep their eye on the ace of spades, and if they get it correct, they win double the money that we just bet last time. And let's say they pick this card, and you say, if it's not the ace of spades, you owe me, $2. And then turn it over and boom, nope, that's the king of diamonds. They say, well, what about this card? They're like, nope, that's wrong again. That's the king of hearts. And that's two-card Monte. Okay, now before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. It really helps this channel out. I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you'd like information on how to become a channel member, you can just do it through YouTube on the tab that they have there, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. All right, two-card Monte, it's kind of a fun trick. Now for the tutorial, you're gonna set up the deck. You're gonna wanna remove two aces and two red cards, two black aces and then two red cards. You kind of want them contrasting. So one set will be black, one set will be red, or you can use the black kings and the red aces. It doesn't matter, but the aces, everybody knows what the ace of spades is, so that's kind of why you use these two cards, okay? Now you set it up with on top of a deck. This is just a regular deck of cards. On top of your deck, you'll have a face-up king, a face-down king, and then the two aces, okay? So you just have your deck set up, and you just pull out two cards to explain. We'll do a two-card Monte. Most people are used to a three-card Monte, but two-card Monte, a little bit easier, blah, 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 whatever, okay? They can pick any ace that they want. Let's say they pick the ace of clubs, or the ace of spades as the money card. You take the ace of clubs, and now you want to do a triple lift, which is grabbing these three cards, okay? The face-up king, this face-down king, and then the ace of clubs. Start off the deck, you can get a break and do a triple lift, so you're turning over three cards, okay? So now you look something like this, over. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel one card off, and as you do it, you're gonna do a wrist kill, okay? So the spectator doesn't see the face-up king. And it kind of looks natural because when you do this trick this way, okay, you're turning over the deck to use your finger to move the cards around, okay? So now you have this situation where you have a face-up king on your top of your deck, and move the cards around, and then keep track of which one is the ace of spades, okay? Because this is now a king, because you did the triple lift, okay? Now you do the patter about the ace being the money card or whatever, and they pick this one because you don't really, mix up the cards so they can't keep track of the ace, so they're always looking on this one, and you always want to make sure that you turn this card over when they pick a card. Even if they pick this card, you say, no, the ace is over here, and that's how you get this one face up, okay? So you get to this ace, the one that was left on the table, because that's a king, and you don't want to expose that one yet. Okay, take this ace and place it in, and face up on top of the card, because now it's covering that king. And now what you're gonna do is a double lift, turn this card over, and then do kind of that wrist kill move again, placing the top card, which is just the king, now on the table, and you can move the cards around while you do that wrist kill, and it just looks natural for you to do the wrist kill move if you have these on the table and you're moving them around. Some people had them hold in their fingers, but there's no natural move to do the wrist kill if you do it that way. So this is why I like doing it on the table, because it looks more natural when you do that wrist kill. And then now ask the spectator, you know, which one do you think is the ace of spades or ace of clubs, whichever one they pick, and whichever one they point to, you say, no, that's the king. And you say, well, it doesn't matter, he cheated because that's the other king too, okay? And the aces are on top. Now, you can go into another trick, you know, if they want to see the deck or whatever, you can just do a one-handed cut. Now the aces are in the middle of the deck. So it's just up to you to either, you know, ditch the aces or just leave them and go on and do another trick from here, okay? So that's 2-card Monte. It's really simple to do, but it's very impressive and people really get fooled by it. And, you know, I'd rather do it on a table setting than in people's hands just because it does hide that risk kill move when you're hiding that face-up king, okay? Let me know what you think, and as always, until next time.